Hey, this is Jackie with West Coast Connects, and I just want to shoot you a quick little video just to go over a few tips and tricks that you guys could do in-house that would help bring in more business using your actual website and Google Business Profile. Again, all of these things you can do in-house, and so I hope this is helpful. I would absolutely love to hear your feedback. And so I have your site pulled up, and it's pretty simplistic layout. It is good they have your phone number here. I would suggest having a little click to call at the top, rather than just the number, so you can click on it and it gives you a call right away. That helps with conversions. And then scrolling down, another suggestion would be to add a form to fill out towards the top. That also helps with conversions and getting the leads in quickly. So scrolling down, lots of pictures. These look good. With pictures, it's good to actually save them as keywords, and that counts as content. So content is actually a huge thing with Google. It is just content is king, and that's basically the words on the page that explain what you do, the services that you offer, and the areas that you offer those services in. But you want to include the keywords that you want to be found for within the content, and that's really what's going to start sending people to your site and giving you a call. So that's probably one of the biggest suggestions that I have. So I input your information into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it's just going to give me some analytics. We'll look at the UR and the DR first. That's the strength and the trust that your site has with Google. As of right now, that's not a whole lot of trust right now, and so if you are able to implement some of these tips, it would really be beneficial for you guys. You have 3 backlinks currently coming from 2 referring domains or websites, and what a backlink is, it's your website linked to another site that points direction back to you, but not all backlinks are the same. They're not all created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative and that are going to actually send power to your site. You guys are coming up for 9 keywords. You're not really getting any traffic to this site, and so it's not really bringing in any money. It's just kind of a digital business card for now. Some of the keywords that you guys are coming up for or indexing for, like roofing, Clayton, North Carolina, there are 80 people a month that look that keyword up, and you're in the 33rd position, so you really want to be on page 1. Roofing companies, Clayton, North Carolina, there's 10 searches a month for that. You're in the 44th position. Let's see, roofing companies, Clayton, there's not a whole lot of search volume for those. So I'll show you what some of your competitors are doing in multiple areas, because I know you service different locations. So if we look up roofing companies Chapel Hill, what comes up first are the ads, and these are Google guaranteed. This is a great way to reduce costs by getting Google guaranteed and running highly targeted ads. It'll help you save money by doing that, and it helps to bring in business quickly. So then what comes up next is the map pack, and this is so imperative to come up in. You're going to get about 30 to 40% of traffic going to your website or giving you a call right from here. So there's several different ways to boost up your rankings there. You want to make sure you're going and getting your Google reviews all the time, and you want to reply to those reviews. You want to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is completely filled out, and the same across all of your social media, stuff like that. There's a 750 character about us section that you want to fill out and include your keywords that you want to be found for in that as well. Posting branded photos every week and geolocated or geotagged photos really, really helps as well. There's another thing called citations, and that's your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages or Yelp, because Google is just a big popularity contest. So you want to go out and give your information out to as many people as possible, and that's going to help Google trust you more. And so by doing that, it helps your Google page, and then also helps you in your website in the organics. So if we go down to the organic section, the top competitor is Walker Brown Roofing. And we'll take a look at their site. See how they have the click to call right here. They have a little chat bot, click for free estimate. All of those are designed to help with conversions. But when we're looking through their site, they really don't have any content at all. So that plays in your favor if you implement that. And if we do take a look at where they're sitting, their strength is a little higher up there, but their trust is pretty low. They have 881 backlinks from 40 referring domains. So a good plan of action would be to match the amount of referring domains that your top competitors have and beat them out by at least 100. They are coming up for 114 keywords. They're getting about 47 people to their site a month. And then if we look at some of the keywords like Chapel Hill Roofer, there is 90 searches a month for that. Chapel Hill Roofers, another 90. Chapel Hill Roofing, another 90, 30. So there is some benefit to adding Chapel Hill keywords on there because there is a decent search volume. So that would be beneficial and you could outrank them and grab some of that traffic. And then another competitor would be in the Raleigh location. So Roofing Company, Raleigh, North Carolina. Here's your map pack. So same thing goes with that by implementing some of those tactics you want to pull in from the Raleigh area. And then going into the organics, Baker Roofing is one of the top competitors, and I know that they're dominating North Carolina, and so their site is huge. And this is just the Raleigh Roofing location page. So they do have the click to call and the form to fill out, but they don't have the content on this back page. So again, that does play in your favor. And then if we look at their numbers, their strength and trust is pretty high. And again, because this site is really big, so by implementing the backlinks, you'll be able to take some of that traffic, which is huge. They've got over 2,000 people a month that go to their site, just the Raleigh page. They have 235,000 backlinks, 43 referring domains. So again, you want to beat them out by at least 100. And then just to get some ideas for keywords and some volume, like Raleigh Roofing Company has 350 searches a month. A roofing company Raleigh is 300, another 300, another 300, another 200. So this is a really booming area to be able to pull traffic from. Once you're ranking for these keywords, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site, and then a percentage of that is going to either fill out a form or give you a call, and then depending on your closing rate, turn into a customer. So I do hope these tips were helpful, and I would absolutely love to hear feedback. Thanks so much.